Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, happy 2018. Hopefully your year is off to a great start. I just wanted to film my intro real quick. I'm going to be doing a cleaning video later tonight. It's going to be dark out, but I figured I would at least film the intro right now while I have some natural light. So next time you see me, I'll be cleaning and probably not in this outfit. But yeah, okay, so I'll see you guys in just a second and I'll tell you what I'm going to be cleaning. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Mess. And, oh, let me show you this real quick. I got this new ottoman and I really like it. It's going to be replacing this one. The dogs are hanging out right there. I like this one and it opens so you can store stuff. This one you cannot store stuff, but I think that this just looks more fancy and pretty. And sorry I don't have those blinds open. You would be able to see it a little bit better. But it's this really pretty like velour and it's more white. It's not white. It's still like a beige, but it's really pretty and I really like it. And I love this tufted look. I just think it makes it look a little bit more put together and fancy. So that's going to be the new ottoman right here. And then this is actually going to go in one of my spare bedrooms and I'm going to store like my scrapbooking stuff and gift bags and all that good stuff in there. So I'll do that later and I'll show you guys. I'm also going to straighten up the kitchen, straighten up the dining room table, and then a few other things. So next time you see me, I'll get to cleaning, but until then, I'll see you guys in just a second. 10:30 p.m. and I am finally all done. It looks so much better in here. I love how this new ottoman looks. Sorry, my shoes are squeaking. I love how this looks. I think it looks really pretty. I'm gonna look for a cute little tray to put there that I can keep my remotes on, but I really like how that turned out. And there's the kitchen. Everything's all nice and clean now. You saw me putting something on my countertops. I was actually sealing it. It's something that you're supposed to do once a year to stone. I don't know if you do it to all stone, but it's supposed to just, I don't know, keep it nice. This is actually my first time doing it, and I've lived here for 2 years, so I'm a little behind schedule, but yeah, so it looks good, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. I did notice I forgot to take down that wreath. I'm gonna take it down. I'm not gonna do it tonight. I'm just gonna go to bed. But I need to take that down, and then I have 2 other Christmas things that I just need to take down, but yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time.